Packing for a trip can get frustrating when bulky clothes, jackets, blankets, or extra outfits take over your suitcase before everything fits. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best travel vacuum storage bags that help you pack more, stay organized, protect your clothes, and make packing much easier. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. VacBird 1. Running out of suitcase space can make even a simple trip feel stressful, especially when you need to bring jackets, sweaters, or extra outfits. This is where VacBird 1 becomes a useful travel companion. It helps reduce bulky items so your luggage feels cleaner, flatter, and easier to manage. The biggest benefit is the wireless pump. Instead of searching for an outlet or dealing with cords in a hotel room, you can compress your bags wherever you are. The pump is compact, rechargeable, and easy to carry, which makes it especially practical for travelers who want a simple packing solution on the go. The included bag sizes give you flexibility for different items. Smaller bags work well for shirts, socks, or underwear, while larger ones are better for jackets, blankets, or bulkier travel essentials. The see-through window also makes it easier to identify what is inside without opening every bag. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. VioK. A good vacuum storage set should make packing easier without forcing you to fight with weak seals or a slow pump. VioK is a strong pick for travelers and home organizers who want a complete kit with plenty of bags and a cordless pump that feels convenient from the start. The wireless pump is one of its biggest advantages. It gives you the freedom to compress bags without being tied to a wall outlet, which is especially useful when packing in hotels, dorms, closets, or tight spaces. With strong battery life, it can handle many compressions before needing a recharge. The 15-bag set is also very practical. You get small, medium, and large bags, so it is easier to separate outfits, travel layers, towels, coats, and bedding. That kind of organization helps prevent your suitcase from turning into a messy pile of compressed fabric. Durability matters too, and these bags are made with upgraded material, a double lock zipper, and an improved valve to help keep air out for longer storage. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Dannery. Dannery is a great choice for users who want quick compression, travel-ready bags, and a portable pump that works well for vacations, camping trips, and home storage. The rechargeable cordless pump is the main highlight. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to power through USB charging, which makes it practical for international travel, road trips, and packing away from home. Instead of manually squeezing air out, you can compress bags much more quickly and with less effort. Speed is another major advantage. The pump is designed to compress bags in seconds, helping you finish a full packing session in just a few minutes. That is especially useful when you are preparing for a flight, repacking before checkout, or organizing clothes at the last minute. The bags are made with tear-resistant material and a dual zipper seal to protect clothing from dust and moisture. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. SnowCod. This pick is built for that kind of user, offering a powerful cordless system designed to make bulky items much easier to manage. The pump is one of the standout features. It is rechargeable, wireless, and easy to use without needing a wall outlet. That makes packing feel more flexible whether you are at home, in a hotel, or organizing gear before a long trip. Its strong compression power helps remove more air from soft items like sweaters, blankets, jackets, pillows, and bedding. The result is a much flatter, more manageable pack that can free up serious space in luggage or storage shelves. For people who tend to overpack, that can be a real lifesaver. The 15 included bags come in 3 sizes and are made with thick, tear-resistant material. The double zipper helps maintain the airtight seal, while the semi-transparent design makes it easy to see what is inside. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Eaton Wolf. When you are packing under pressure, speed makes a big difference. Eaton Wolf is ideal for users who want a tiny but powerful pump and vacuum bags that compress quickly without adding much weight to the travel setup. It feels especially practical for frequent travelers. The pump is extremely compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into a suitcase, backpack, or drawer. Even though it is small, it delivers fast airflow, allowing each bag to compress quickly. That saves time when you are packing before a trip or repacking on the way home. The bags are designed for reliable storage with a triple seal valve and double zipper closure. That helps keep air out and protects clothes, bedding, blankets, and other soft items from dust and moisture. The included clip also makes sealing easier, which is a nice detail when you are working quickly. It works well for both travel and home use. You can use it to pack more into luggage, store seasonal clothing, organize bedding, or keep extra items neat in a closet. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Swaco. For travelers who want to maximize luggage space without complicating the packing process, Swaco is one of the easiest kits to recommend. It is designed around practical travel sizes, fast compression, and a wireless pump that makes the whole process feel simple. The biggest everyday benefit is how much easier it makes packing. By compressing clothing and soft goods, the bags help free up room for shoes, toiletries, souvenirs, or extra outfits. This can be especially helpful for longer vacations, cruise trips, flights, or backpack travel where every inch of space matters. The wireless electric pump adds a lot of convenience. It compresses quickly and can handle many bags per charge, so you do not have to rely on manual rolling or hotel outlets. That makes it useful, not only before you leave home, but also when repacking during the trip. The long side zipper design is another smart touch. It makes inserting clothes easier and helps keep folded items flatter. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. VacBird 2. This is the kind of travel vacuum storage kit that helps you pack faster, save more space, and stay organized without making the process feel complicated. The rechargeable cordless pump is a major reason it ranks first. It is slim, lightweight, easy to grip, and small enough to fit into luggage or a backpack. Since it can be charged through USB from a laptop or power bank, it is a practical choice for travel in different places. Compression is fast and efficient, making it easy to reduce the volume of clothing, jackets, and other soft items in just seconds. That is a big help when you are trying to pack more into a suitcase or avoid extra baggage fees. It also makes repacking before returning home much less stressful. The 15 included bags come in 3 useful sizes, giving you plenty of flexibility for outfits, layers, bedding, and travel essentials. The thick, reusable material, dual zipper design, and semi-transparent finish make the bags practical for both travel and home storage. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best travel vacuum storage bags you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.